In this video, I will show you how to change your account time zone in Google Ads. First, log into your Google Ads account. On the upper part of your screen, you will find a row of settings. Navigate to the Help button and click on it. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen called Quick Help. In the search bar, type How to change time zone. From the drop-down options, click on the first result. Under the All Replies section, click on the link provided. You will be redirected to a new page. Scroll down until you find your time zone settings and click on it. A drop-down will appear explaining that your time zone is permanently set when you first create your account, and it cannot be changed because it affects reports and billing. When you scroll further down, you will see that to use a different time zone, you will need to create a new Google Ads account. And that's how to check or change your time zone settings in Google Ads.